Welcome to the island of Sodor, a magical land where trains roam free.
One day, Thomas came out of his shed. It's a nice day. I'm just gonna go to the docks and meet Percy. And he jumped away. Soon he got to the docks and saw Percy. Hello, Percy. Hello, Thomas. What are you doing? I just wanted to pull the mail. Okay. Well, Thomas, what, Percy? Edward says that Topper had told Edward that you have a special job. Okay, and Thomas puffed back with defiant. As soon as he went around the turntable, he saw Edward, and there was Boulder and Scruffy. Oh no, do I have to take Boulder to the other island? Yes. Ugh. And Thomas puffed away. But then Boulder rolled out and landed on Edward's track. Oh no, I'm blocked. And Thomas didn't even notice. He was just happily chuffing. But he didn't see Percy. Oh no! Thomas, watch out! But it was too late. Thomas crashed and Percy made a big accident. Ow! But Thomas didn't see. Thomas pushed it up the hill. But then Thomas got stuck in the tunnel, and then he noticed, oh no, Boulder's missing. I must get him back. And Thomas chuffed backwards to find Boulder. Boulder has rolled away again. I heard him, said Edward. Where's he going? And he hit my tender. Boulder rolled on the track and landed in one of Duncan's cars. And Duncan didn't notice. Well, I'm just chugging along. And then Boulder was so heavy that Duncan derailed. Ow! Everything was derailed, but Tom still had to find Boulder. There he is! Soon, a crane put Boulder back on the track, and Thomas made him go where he was supposed to go. Soon he was back where he was supposed to go, and it was nice when Boulder was. And soon the crane started lifting the engines back on the rails. And it was a happy day.